Illegal mining in South Africa has spiraled out of control in recent years. Widespread neglect of disused shafts has provided illegal miners with opportunity to exploit these mines for gold in the Gauteng province. But what exactly is the liability for former or current owners of the mines? The Zamazamas operate with none of the required health, safety and environmental rules. To unpack this further, I am joined by Warren Beech. He's the CEO of law firm Beech Veltman. Thank you very much for your time here on ENCA. Just first of all, when it comes to the operation of illegal mining in South Africa, clearly it's not just the illegal miners that are making money out of it, is it? Because there has to be someone, in higher position or people in higher positions that are helping them.
Absolutely. So historically, we've been involved in a number of the illegal mining or small-scale mining initiatives to try and regularize this as far back as 2012, 2013. And the one consistent message that has come along is it's not just about the people that are going underground and, of course, risking their lives every day, but it has a much broader network that is required in order to extract, sell and move this gold, whether it's within our borders or external to our borders. It's a network. And it has to be a network to be successful. It's not just a group of people going underground every day. Somebody has to buy it, somebody has to refine it, and ultimately it has to go somewhere.
And, in terms of the law, when it comes to the mine that used to own the disused mines and the sealing of it, etc., and the DMRE, who exactly does the law say should be held accountable with regards to the mine not operating anymore and making sure that it actually doesn't?
In relation to old mines or mines that are abandoned or disused, the company which extracted the gold initially, and let's keep with the example of gold mines, the companies that extracted those would or should have received closure certificates. And until they receive a closure certificate, they are responsible for the health and safety of people in and around that mine. Obviously, that excludes illegal activity. So if a mine puts a concrete cap on a shaft and that is then blown up or in any other way removed, then that responsibility shifts. But until the closure certificate is issued, theoretically, the mines that mine there remain responsible.
All right, just lastly and very quickly, what about companies that would buy the disused or abandoned mines? And now, does the responsibility then suddenly fall on them?
If somebody lawfully obtains a mine, they get a mining permit or a mining right or a bulk sample permit, then yes, they would become legally responsible for that mine and its entire infrastructure and potentially what happened there in the past.
So they'd have to go underground and make sure there are no illegal miners first before they even start or attempt to use the mine.
Absolutely. And again, illegal miners that go underground know what they're doing. These are people that were probably in the mining industry in some form or another. They know what they're doing, they know where to go, and they know where to hide. And although we've got specialist SAPS members, they do not go underground. So it's a standoff, and it's very difficult to clear out a mine before the new infrastructure is installed there for safe mining operations.
I can imagine the deaths that would usually happen in instances like that because of the fact that the illegal miners themselves don't want to be extracted from the mine and they might fight back. That was Warren Beech. He's the CEO of law firm Beech Veltman.